Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to talk about the Dollar General clearance event that's taking place on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Buckle up, this is going to be amazing. First thing you'll notice at your store is probably signage like this last June where it's going to say take an additional 50% off. So this is our Super Bowl and Christmas combined. If you could please give this video a big thumbs up. It took just under 5 hours to make. Lots and lots of editing. You're going to be shocked how much. Share the video, love the video. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, it was a bear to assemble. It took like 5 hours. So throughout your store, you're going to look for little clearance bins. Sometimes they'll couple the food together or just other general merchandise together, or they might have a table at the front just full of clearance. Okay guys, so just to answer a quick question, is my store in fact participating? How do I know this voodoo? How do I know? See, this guy is $2.70. When you open up your Dollar General app and scan this barcode on Friday, if it's ringing up for $1.35, you will know definitively that your location is in fact participating in the clearance event. But the beauty of this event is to get merchandise that's already on clearance, 50% of that cost, pairing it with coupons, you're getting a table of stuff completely for free. This is probably my favorite event over at the Dollar General. With that, if your store has no clearance, there's also the POG, which is items that are marked with these goofy orange stickers, and it is 50% of that starting on Friday. The problem with planogram, guys, I'll just let you know off the bat, because of a lack of staff, they're not hanging as many stickers. But once I get planogram information for cheapies and freebies, I'll let you know. But basically, that's starting on the 8th, which is Friday. And for an example, right now, an item that is $1 on the planogram would be 90 cents. Starting on Friday, it would be half of that, which is 45 cents. And that is a little bit of magic. Back to some rules about the clearance event. Again, it's taking place from the 8th till the 10th. Those dates, it's firm. So if you have an item that's exactly $1 starting on Friday at 50%, it's going to be 50 cents. If your store by chance is a 70 store, some of them go up to 70, it would be 30 cents. Yes, you can use both digital manufacturers and insert coupons with the clearance event. I would recommend for you to scout your store before the sale to make sure that is it worth your time, etc. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that the prices are coming up, for half the cost. Friday is the day because a lot of shoppers go really, really hard with this. Let's not forget to look at rebate apps for extra savings. IBOTTA, Fetch, you name it. Look through those apps. And also sometimes with these sales, pennies might end up on the floor. Sometimes they keep them in the back and then pull them out for the clearance event. And even while I was recording this video and getting stills for it, I found a whole lot of pennies. And I am not a penny shopper, but because of a shortage of staff, a lot of pennies on the floors over at the Dollar General. Okay guys, so if you want to put this on your television so you can open up your Dollar General app to scan barcodes to see what your store might have in inventory, that's how a lot of people watch this video. The first thing is this Swiffer. It is a dry cloth 10-pack. And with the Dollar General app, you can see what your store has inventory-wise as well. So this guy, there is a $2 digital coupon, so you're going to have to load this. And it is going to be $2.02 starting on Friday because it's $4.05, dividing it by 2. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 2 cents for this. There's also a similar coupon in the October P&G. Also, this guy, the Swiffer XL, and we have the digital coupon that's also attaching. So if you wanted to get this instead, it's going to be $3.60 starting on Friday. Subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $1.60 for this. Hello, that is a little something called awesome. Now, if you could track down 2 of these ladies, the Always Discreet, these pads, they are ringing up for $4.50 each. So we're going to grab 2 of them. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of them at $4.50, subtracting that 5 off of 2 digital, it's free plus 50 cents of overage. For overage, you need to grab something else in your basket. They will not pay you 50 cents. And if you might have that 5 off of 2 in the October P&G, you can also use the insert coupon if you're grabbing, say, 4 of them. Now, the next little item we're going to talk about is this book. If you might have received it, it was with a free bag that came last winter. You either have it or you don't. First little item that we have is this Suave hand soap. So it is going to be 75 cents. Going into that little coupon booklet, we have $1 off. So At 75 cents, grabbing one, subtracting that dollar manufacturer from that coupon book, it is free plus 25 cents of overage. The next item is this little Tresemme shampoo. And it's $3 and some change, so half of that. And then in that same coupon booklet, there's $1.50 off. Okay, guys, so $1.87, subtracting that $1.50 manufacturer, you're paying 37 cents for some Tresemme. Now, also, we have a little bit of Vaseline. And just to talk about something quickly, some of these stickers say clearance and some are just yellow. A lot of stores ran out of the clearance stickers, so please do not come for me in the comments. Okay, in the same booklet, we have this $1 off of a Vaseline. So grabbing one of them for $1.55, subtracting that dollar manufacturer, you're paying 55 cents. Okay, this little guy for $3.35, half of that, and it's a little cleanser of some sort. We have this dollar coupon, so you got to get this guy by Sunday. It's $1.67, subtracting the Dollar General coupon, it is 67 cents. And this one was also subsequently attaching to Vaseline as well. Now, if you're not interested in the cleanser, let's try this little soft scrub. And it's $4.05. I found this at multiple stores. And again, this coupon is attaching to that St. Ives product. So it's going to be $2.02 starting on Friday. Subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $1.02 for this beautiful scrub. Okay, so these Neutrogena singles, I found it in a lot of clearance sections for $5.40. We have a $1.50 digital, so make sure that you have this guy loaded. And it's going to be $2.70 starting on Friday. Subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're paying $1.20. And it's basically a bag of single wrapped makeup wipes. So kind of an interesting product. Okay, Mr. Head and Shoulders. I always love when this stuff is part of clearance. So we're going to look at two different types. This first, I think it's like a men's one or the blue one. And then this one, lots of Head and Shoulders I was finding at various stores. We have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Looking at the first one, for $5.85 for 2 of them, subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're paying $2.85 for the 2 Head and Shoulders. The second one at $5.40, again, subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're paying $2.40 for the 2. And there's also a similar insert coupon in the October P&G. So if you find 6 of them and you want to grab, 6, you can use 1 digital and 2 insert coupons. Okay, now we have some L'Oreal hairspray. Found a couple of these at the various stores. We have this wonderful 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal hairsprays, that is $3.60. Subtracting that 3 off of 2, you're paying 60 cents or 30 cents per hairspray. Okay, this is a superb find, which is the Febreze Air Effect Mediterranean Lavender. Check if your store has this one, guys. We have a $1 digital coupon that is in fact attaching. On Friday, this guy is going to be ringing up for $1.32. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying 32 cents. If you find a bunch of them, again, in the October P&G, there are also dollar coupons for this guy. Look for this one. If you can't find it, they also have this little plug called Ocean. I guess it's supposed to smell really nice too. With that dollar coupon, it's going to be $1.25 starting on Friday. Okay, so this little guy, the Wrinkle Guard, will be $1.77. I think there's a dollar coupon in the October P&G. I haven't read the fine print, so I can't really verify that or whatever. I don't know if this one's a little bit too small. But yeah, kind of a nice product for $1.77. Now, this big mama of the Downy Defy will be $4.47. I know there is a $3 in the October P&G. If you might have it, this drops down to $1.47. Hi. The Dollar General scent beads will be $1.32. That is a very good price. Okay, guys, let's play a quick little game. This is just an end cap at a store that I was at, and there's so much clearance stuff here. Nothing is tagged because of short staff, and they do not know what they have in stock. Most average shoppers will just walk by because it's not in a clearance section, but there's a lot of clearance stuff here. First item is the 409 carpet cleaner. This guy will be $1.45. Hey, that's amazing. We also have the Dollar General fabric softener for $1.57. A lot of stores had a bunch of this, so I was like, wow, that is kind of interesting. Another great product is this Suavitel fabric softener. I bought this the last time, and it smells amazing. for $1.35. Hi, that's practically free. I really love that price point. And then the Comet, these will be exactly $1. You always need some multi-surface cleaner in the house to kill awful viruses. And then this, I really like to clean my stove with it. It's going to be $1. Spray away. This stuff is fantastic if you have a glass top oven. And then the Tide, this big mama, at 50% off. And I know there's a $3 coupon in the October P&G. If you have it, it will be $6.97. If you don't, it'll be $9.97. Gain, I found one of these. It's ringing up for $5.05. I'm not sure if there's a coupon in the October P&G for this, but there's no digitals attaching. The little multi-surface cleaner, Dollar General, clean your house and make it smell like apples, 45 cents. Mean Green, this guy is 90 cents. So lots of like household multi-surface cleaners or cleaners, lots of that part of the sale. We have the Dollar General brand of these pads for $3.60. I do like the Swiffer a little bit better with the digital coupon. Fantastic for $1.33. This is a name brand. Unfortunately, no digitals for this, but still a really great product for that cost. And then the Pine Sol, this lavender one for $1.33. And that was a pretty sizable bottle, 48 fluid ounces. We also have this dish soap for 77 cents, and it is also a Dollar General brand. Okay, the Toms of Maine will be $1.80. If you might have some Peely coupons or some other magic to throw in, maybe look for a rebate as well. A lot of feminine care part of this. We have the U by Kotex for $1.45, and this is Super Plus. We have the Dollar General brand for $1.12, so not the worst price point. I believe this is also another Dollar General brand for $1.33, and you have the mix of both super and regular in this one. Now, a couple food products. We have the Big Things of Corn Oil for $1.57. We also have this cereal. With this digital coupon, it'll be $1.25 for the 2 or 62 cents per box, and here is the UPC. The Martha White Yellow Cornmeal Mix, this will be 77 cents. With rumors of food prices going up, you might want to stock up on a couple of these meat and potato items. We also have the Campbell's Chunky for 77 cents. I wish there was a coupon this time, but nope. We also have this breadcrumbs for 60 cents. That is a really good price point. And then this little funfetti for also 60 cents. And then this big thing of ragu for $1.07. Unfortunately, no coupons with that. Maybe you have some insert coupons, but no digitals. And then the Progresso will be 87 cents. And just full admission, I went to about 6 different stores to get all these different clearance pictures. It's not all from one store. And we have these little Caesars. I guess it's like a cup of dog food for $3.90. You might want to stock up. Pet food is becoming scarce in stores. And then also these little treats for $4.25. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.